Yeah, hello, yeah. So, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, especially the new subscribers. I see you're welcome to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we also talk about arbitrage, how to make money online, and everything online. Yeah. So yesterday I did a video and people were saying that I have to tell people about the fees when you're transferring money from one app to another app. The fee they will charge you. Some were saying 5%, 3%. Meanwhile, I said that it's free. So I'm not here to prove any person wrong, but I'm here to teach you or to make you know, because it will very it will be very sad for me to not teach you about these things so that you know it earlier. Because some people, they don't watch the full video, they always read comments, and some of the comments like move them that, oh, then I should not waste my time on this. No. But I want to tell you something. So I'm here to prove to you, not to prove to you, I'm here to teach you that there are some apps that if you want to start Nigeria Ghana arbitrage, like let's say dollar arbitrage, they will not deduct anything when you're transferring the money from, let's say, Nigeria to Ghana, or when you're transferring money from one app to another app. When you're transferring USDT from one app to another app, they will not charge you anything, and some will charge you one-time fee, and it's even normal. So let's watch it. So first of all, let's start with yellow card. So let's watch it carefully so that we will know what is going on. So let me open my yellow card. Yeah. So when I open the yellow card, this is how my wallet looks like. You see that thing? And I don't know whether I've teach you more about this thing in my previous video. Yeah, I've done that. So I want to show you this thing. So I told you that the plus sign means that you're buying. So let me click on the USDT so that it will be very easy for us. The plus sign means that you're buying USDT from yellow card platform, and one USDT on yellow card is what, 12.4. Watch this thing. And sell means you're selling the USDT. So the USDT yesterday was 12. Right now it have decreased to what, 11.8. Is that thing? Yeah. And send means that you are sending the USDT from this app to what, different app. So, and the receive means that you will copy this address and go to, let's say, Paxful, or let's say Eversend, let's say Binance, or blah 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 blah. One different thing between yellow card and Binance is Binance, they charge you, I think, 3% from the amount of USDT or the crypto you are transferring from the app to another app. But here it's not like that. Let me prove to you. So have you seen the buy? The estimate buy price is 12.4 and no extra fee. That means if you're buying, there's no extra fee, and the sell, no extra fee. So when I'm receiving money from this thing here, though maybe if you're transferring the money from Binance will charge you, but if you're sending the money from yellow card to Binance, yellow card will not charge you anything. It's free. So this how you, though me, I don't use Binance. I don't use Binance. So this is how I do my own. So I'll go to, let's say, Eversend. So watch it very well. We have almost 6 apps. I used to more than 6 apps that don't charge if you are transferring like cryptocurrencies. Yeah, but I'm not teaching you right now. And yesterday I saw some comment that you want a subscriber, but you don't want to teach us everything. Yo, bro, I'm doing my work, so I want you to know what you have to know. And if you want to have and details about everything, you chat me and I'll guide you. That's it. So so this let me go here. Stable coin, invest, USDC, receive money. So if I'm receiving money from TRC from this app, you see, send only USDT to, and you have to know this. You can't send Bitcoin through this. Then I have to do that as a full course, because some people be saying that they transfer their crypto to a wallet and they never receive the crypto. Nah, that means you did a wrong thing. This TRC means the USDT part. You can't send Bitcoin to this address. It only receive USDT. It only receive USDT. Apart from USDT, it can't receive anything again. Yeah. So this thing, when I'm withdrawing anything from here, you see, when I'm withdrawing USD from here, let me enter that amount and for you to see something. You see, so let's assume you are in Nigeria and you want to send money to me for us to start the arbitrage. First of all, some people can send you USDT so that you exchange it to mobile money and you start and you buy USDT and transfer it to them. And some too will try to send you the money. So when you're sending me money, let me go here. So when you're sending me the money, let's say fund. So when you're sending me the money, so let me do something for you to see. So let's say 50 cedis. Everson will charge you 8 cedis. 8 cedis. That's how much they will charge you. And when you are sending 5,000, they will still charge you what? 8 cedis. You see, so any amount you will load, they will charge you 8 cedis. It's too cheap. It's more than, there's no fee. Cause like imagine funding your account with 10,000 Ghana cedis, and they're charging you only 8 cedis. See, and when I'm withdrawing the money through my mobile money, you see, what this? I can withdraw, let's say 10,000. 10,000. What this? Fee, there's what? No fee. 1,000 Ghana cedis. There's no fee. So if I click on the continue, that means I'm withdrawing 1,000 Ghana cedis from my account to my mobile money wallet. I hope you see it. Yeah. So that's how it is. So it's very easy. And when I say that, when you're transferring money, some of the Nigerian people think I was lying. So let's go to Yellow Card and say something. If I'm depositing money from my mobile money to Yellow Card, let's watch it. Bank. Let's say 20 cedis. Continue. Next. So obviously transaction fee is what? 0. Okay, people will say that it's too small. That's why. Let's say 2,000 Ghana cedis. Let's go. Transaction fee is what? 0. Have you seen it? Confirm amount. They will send you something. I want to do it from mobile money. Confirm bank. You see, and this thing. They send me the alerts for me to do it. Have you seen? It's 0. is zero. You will do your deposit is zero. They won't charge you anything. So if you want to do arbitrage with a Nigerian, if you're a Nigerian want to do arbitrage with a Ghanaian, you have to be on this apps, because it's very easy for you to do your own thing. It's very easy. But if you don't understand anything, you can join my channel, my WhatsApp channel in the link description. Then we will talk. And if you're withdrawing money, watch this thing. Let's say 2,000. It's zero. That's why, like, let's say, but zero. You see that it's also transaction is also what, free. So, bro, I can't teach you something fake. It's free. And if you want to start arbitrage with a Nigerian, I think your money transaction can be on this app and it will be smooth. I hope you understand. So, thank you for watching me, and I'm out.